In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find graduate jobs on Glassdoor. Let's start by getting you signed in so your preferences and saved roles follow you. Open Glassdoor in your browser or launch the mobile app and log into your account. Being logged in helps you save jobs, track what you viewed, and move faster when you find a role you like. Once you're in, head to the search bar. Type the job title or keyword you're targeting, like marketing assistant, software engineer, data analyst, or simply type graduate or entry level to cast a wider net. If you have a location in mind, add that too. If you're open to remote roles, you can leave the location blank or choose remote when available. Press search to pull up the results. You'll land on the job listings page, where you can scan all available roles that match your query. Take a quick moment to note the layout. You'll typically see job cards you can click into for details like responsibilities, qualifications, salary information when provided, and company reviews. Sorting by date posted can help you prioritize the freshest openings. Now let's narrow things down to positions designed for new grads. Open the filters panel and find job level, then select entry level. This instantly trims your results to roles that are more likely to welcome applicants with limited experience. You can adjust other filters later, such as location or date posted, to refine even further, but entry level is the key for graduate-friendly listings. Quick note before we continue. I've placed the official Glassdoor website link and the app download links right at the top of the description, so you can access Glassdoor in your browser or install the app on your phone with a single tap. With your filter set, it's time to browse. Scroll through the entry-level results and open any listing that looks promising. Read the job description carefully, paying attention to the required skills and any preferred qualifications. If a role feels like a strong fit, consider saving it so you can compare later and keep your shortlist organized. When a position allows you to apply directly through the listing, you'll see options to start the application process right away. Otherwise, you'll be directed to the employer's site to complete it. That's it. You can now easily find graduate jobs on Glassdoor and kickstart your career. Thanks for watching.